In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create monthly task lists with Grok AI. By the end, you'll have a recurring automated task list that shows up every month without you having to remember to create it. First, open Grok in your browser and sign in. When you land on the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see a left-hand side panel that holds your main navigation. Look for your profile area there, usually an avatar or your account section, and click it to reveal more options. From that menu, select Tasks. This is where all of your task automations live. If it's your first time here, the page may look pretty clean. Otherwise, you'll see any tasks you've already set up. Now let's create a new one. Start a new task by looking for a button that says Create Task or Add New. Both lead to the same place, the Task Builder interface. Once this opens, you're in the right spot to set up the monthly schedule and define what you want Grok to generate for you. Choose the monthly option so the task runs on a monthly cadence. Next, set the schedule. Pick the day of the month you want this task to run, maybe the 1st, the 15th, or the last day depending on your workflow. After the date, set the time. Choose a time that aligns with when you want to see your list, like first thing in the morning or right before your regular planning session. You might also want to consider your time zone so the task triggers when you expect it to. You'll notice a helpful note indicating that the task will run on the closest day. That simply means if you select a date that doesn't occur in a particular month, like the 31st, Grok will automatically run it on the closest available date, so your schedule stays reliable. Now enter your prompt. This is where you tell Grok exactly what you want it to produce each month. Be clear and specific so the output is useful. For example, you can type, "List my tasks for today and sort by priority." You can also refine the language to reflect your workflow, like asking to group tasks by category or to flag anything overdue, but keep the core instruction focused on generating your monthly list. When everything looks good, click Create Task. That's it. Your monthly task list is now set to run on the schedule you chose. Each month, Grok will generate the list right on time, so you can review it from the task section and get straight to work without starting from scratch.